Ever wondered how some YouTube thumbnails seems to stand out than the rest? Well, get ready to discover the magic behind creating eye-catching, glowy YouTube thumbnails. Because in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple step on how to create a YouTube thumbnail that stands out in the crowded world of YouTube. Trust me, you won't want to miss this illuminating tutorial. Hey guys, my name is Blessing Agaristi and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. For my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting me. And for our new subscribers, you're welcome. If today's your first time and you haven't subscribed yet to our YouTube channel, please click on that subscribe button and turn on notification by clicking on that bell button so you'll get notified whenever I post any video. Today, I'm about to unveil the game-changing tutorial on how to design a great, captivating YouTube thumbnail. Because having a great YouTube thumbnail make you get click, and click gives you view, and view, of course, gives you money. Get ready to learn how to design a glowing YouTube thumbnail that is guaranteed to capture attention and boost your channel visibility. Trust me, this is not just any tutorial. It's a powerful tool that will supercharge your content and set your YouTube channel apart and boost its visibility. So if this is what you want to watch, then let's dive in. Alright, go over to Canva, click on create a design and click on suggestion YouTube thumbnails. So it will just open up. This is the canvas, so we need the background picture. So I'll just go over to Google and search for dark interior. This is what I'm using. So I'll go to free pics and then just download this one. I click on it to download free pics. You download free videos. You can actually get premium videos, but I want to use this free one. So I'll come over to my Canva and upload it. I'll upload the picture over to Canva. Allow it to load up, and then I'll click on it. I'll set as background, as you can see now, and this is it. So I'll go to edit video. I'll go over to adjust and adjust it, adjust the contrast and adjust the brightness. I don't want it to be pronounced that much. So this is it. So I'll go back to click on my picture. Sorry, not my picture, and then just resize. I'll go to element and select flare. This is what we're using, flare. I don't think I'll use blue flare because most of them here are premium and I need free flare. I'm using Canva free, so I just click on this green one. Is it green? Right, I guess it's green color or lemon. So I'll resize it, just shape it like I'm doing right now, and after shaping it, I'll click on it to go to layer and send to back. So it's already at the back of the image I'm using right now. So just resize again, we position it. So I want the flare to be at the top of the head. So I'll click on my image. I'll click on my image. Now I'll go to edit photo and drag down to resize it to 120 something. Then I'll adjust the blur. Now go back down to change the color to this same color, the green, light green or lemon, and I'll increase the intensity to something like this, like what you're seeing right now on the screen. Alright, so just make a little adjustment to the image. So just readjust it because it automatically readjusted itself when we added the photo effect. So click on the image again. I'll just go to adjust and adjust the image. Go to saturation, just readjust it to what I want. It's actually editing the person, and then change the clarity, adjust the clarity. I think I like it like this, and we adjust the image on the canvas, and then I'll click on I'll click on this image and go to duplicate the page. So I'll just go over to duplicate. So after duplicating, I'll click on the first image, delete the background and the flare, and then I'll go over to settings, go to dot tone, go to sherry, change this highlight and shadow to white, FFF, just change it to white, and then I'll go over again to setting, click back. Now I'll go over to change the background color to green. I'm changing this to green to give it a green screen, so that when I change the background, when I remove the background, to be effective. So I'll just download this page to my system, click on just the page and download it to my system. So this is it, that's finished downloading. So I'll go over to remove BG. So now I'll click on upload image, then I'll select the image from my system, then I'll click on open. So it will just take a few seconds to remove the green background. Yes, it has removed it. So I'll click on download to download it to my system. So now I'll come over to Canva, click on upload, and upload the image to my file so I can use it. So I'll just drag and drop it to the canvas, the work area, and then I'll resize. I can actually bring it forward first. I think I'm having an issue resizing it, so I'll just bring it forward first to resize it well. It's sitting at front of our main image. So after resizing, I'll click on this, click on layer, and then I'll send it to back. Yes, you can see it's giving a good shadow. You can just drag a bit to resize it. So just do what you want, just play around it, play around yours, but I need it to be very detailed. Okay, so just play a little bit around it, resize a bit. I want to have this perfect look, that's why I'm taking my time to drag it, because I need it to have this perfect look. So I'll go to edit picture like that, and then go to dot tone, click on sherry, and then I'll change this highlight picture highlight color to white, and then I'll also change the shadow color to white. So it's that white image that we uploaded that we are changing now, not this lady that's surprised. Not this lady, we are changing the white picture that we removed the background earlier. This is what we are changing, the color, the highlights color and the shadow color. So just do a little touch, just play over it. We'll go back to settings again, click on shadow, glow, and then I'll scroll down and change the color. Turn the color to FFF. While I'm still working on editing, if you've not subscribed yet, what are you still waiting for? Abba, I'm giving out this old knowledge for free, and you still haven't subscribed to my channel. This is your only way to support me, by subscribing if you've not, and liking and sharing my video. Please subscribe, and like the video so that YouTube will show this video to more potential viewers. Liking my video give YouTube good sign that this is a great video. I'm giving out this knowledge for free. Please subscribe and like this video. So I'll just play with the effects. You can do what you want, depend on the outcome you need. So I'll click on the first page and delete the page. It's no longer needed. So I'll go over to text and add heading. So I'll add thumbnail. This is what I'm working on, thumbnails. So just drag to increase the size and resize it. So then I will go over to effect and change it to neon to give it a glow kind of feel. That's why I'm changing it to neon, and then I'll increase the intensity a bit, and I'll click on the fonts. I'll use a vertical word. Yes, a vertical word, and then I'll change the layer, send it to back, so it will be at the back of this lady. And I'll just resize. So I'll just resize a bit. Then I'll add another text. I was thinking to duplicate, so I just add another text. Glow. Yes. Thumbnail glow. Just add it to this side. Then I'll duplicate this one, this text. Just make it centralized first. Just make it centralized. I'll change it to a vertical word too, so that it will be a consistent font. Then I'll change it to white. Let's say white. I like to change it to green, but I'm not so cool with this green. I'll still change the effect to glow and neon, rather, to make it glowy. I'll duplicate it. You can see thumbnail glow effects, but I don't like this color, so I'll just change it to white. Yes, white. Let me be consistent with that color. Thumbnail glow effect. So this is how simple it is to create your glowing thumbnails. So after we are done, you go over to save and download it. Hi guys, thank you for watching this video to the very end. I hope you got value. Please, if you've not subscribed here, what are you still waiting for? With all these that I've given out for free, click on that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you get notified whenever I post any video, and also support me too by liking this video. Liking this video will make YouTube see that this content is a good content, and it will show it to other potential viewers. Please like this video and share with your family, share with your contacts. Okay guys, until next time, stay blessed.